Hello everyone! Today I want to share with you the different Filipiniana costumes that I'm wearing in my other content. I designed all of this, pero ang nanay ko ang nanahe. And thanks to my loving mom who is now in heaven. Ito yung Maria Clara attire ko na sinuot ko na sa isang content ko. And that was ang bayan kong Pilipinas, lupain ng kinto't bulaklak. Ito naman yung mga barot saya na sinusuot ko sa mga folk dances. I'll show you more next time, guys. See you mga friendship. Bye! Love, love, love!